What's up, guys? So I thought it'd be nice for me to teach you how to save some money with my E46. It could work for any BMW, anything you buy on FCC Euro, to be honest. But today, I'm gonna be returning. Well, I'm gonna be getting a free oil change. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. So let's get to that. So first, this is what you gotta do. Gonna go to the website, find this little piece right here which says lifetime warranty. Click that. Then you're gonna come to this section right here. They explain basically what I'm trying to explain to you guys right now. You find this little link right here. It says absolutely no returns will be accepted without your complete return form. Click that. Then hit begin return up here. Boom. Okay, once you get to this page, you gotta hit warranty and effective returns. So you hit that, submit. Then once you get to this section, you just pick your order number. Say you come here. Let's say you wanted to return your new Weibo and you order a new one. So what you do is you'll come here and click on it. And then you'll pick the reason. So lifetime warranty is a reason. And then on this section right here, you're gonna put your new order number. And then you're gonna process that. So I ended up doing that, and this is what they end up. You end up going to a page like this, where they so you can see I did it with the oil. So right here you can see the oil kit for my M3, the filter, and the other quart that comes in a smaller bottle. So here you can see my order number, and then you can see my return order too. So that's how you gotta fill it up. So put your order number, then your return, and yeah. I don't even know if I should be showing you guys this, but that's cool. Then they're gonna give you this right here. No. That's basically your instructions. You gotta put these pages in the box, and then is the address you're shipping it to. You gotta pay for shipping, which is okay, I guess, you know. But yeah, now I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys the process of shipping it. Put the oil in the box. If you guys ever order oil from FCC Euro, you know it comes in a box and then in a bag inside. So what you have to do is, after you order your first time, obviously you gotta pay the first time. Second time, you're gonna order like regular. You're gonna do your oil change. You're gonna put your old oil in the new bottles. Boom. Put your old filter in the filter box. Boom. Put it back in the bag. Put it back in the box. Do the paperwork. Put it in the box. Send it out. Pay for it, and they'll end up returning what you order. And if you order oil, which this works for everything, even brake pads, all of that. If you order oil, make sure you get the 7 quarts, because they're only gonna pay for the quarts you send. If you just send the oil by itself, if you just send the bottles by itself, no oil, they're probably not gonna give you no money. So you need the oil in that bottle. Make sure you fill it up so you get your full return. So now we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you the process of me shipping it out. So I just set my car to warm up while I show you guys how to do this. So basically, this is the box it came in. The paper. You got the oil in the bag. Old oil in the bag. And more paper. Okay, so I just push it in there again, just how it was. You can take your paper and you're gonna throw it in there. So, boom, put that in there. And close this. So then, after you leave the other piece of paper in there, you take the one with the instructions, and on the bottom it has the address. So you're gonna cut this and paste it onto the box so they know where it's going. There's the address right here. Let me do that. Just make it quick and easy, and I'm gonna use one of these. Bendiciones para todo el mundo. This wind is not helping me, but you guys get it. And we're gonna close the box and tape it up. Oh. I'm scared of this piece of paper flying off, so I can put it under the box. But boom. This piece of tape. I know, guys, I have a different set of clothes right now. You know, we take showers on this side. Make sure you wash your ass every morning, every afternoon. You know, make sure you're doing the right thing for your body and you're washing it. Okay. Those corner drawers. I'm going above and beyond because this is oil. I don't really want it to spill because you know how UPS is. They're gonna be fucking swinging this around everywhere. I want as much oil to get back there as possible. So that's what we're doing. Oh no! Piece of paper was trying to run from me. Let me put this in my pocket before I lose it. As you can see, I taped it. Got the box nice and taped. So then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna just tape it onto this. But I'm gonna wait till I get to the post office because they're probably gonna want me to put my name on this as well. So I'm gonna wait for that. But we out of here. There you go. This paper right there. Let's go. Yeah, I gotta turn up traction control so it actually hooks. I think the light is red too. I was about to do some foul shit, but I know that light is red. I was about to just go into the fucking third lane or something. rev it out, like look. You hear how you hear that shit go clink?
What's that from?
That's a drive shaft. Cause now the center support is from Max Part Shop and it's solid. Before it was like a whole rubber piece.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
So,
it's the circle thing with a bunch of holes in it? Yeah.
So the what's it called? The old center support bearing used to eat all of that fucking noise and like vibration with the rubber. But it's mad weak. This it gives you a little more noise, but that's like
It's solid.
you never gotta replace that. I mean you might have to, but it's not the same. Can't wait to slam this shit, so I gotta raise it and make it.
It's LSD, isn't it?
Come on, bro, is that M3? What type of question is that? You see me drifting all the time.
It's true.
He says, is it LSD? Hell yeah. Yo, last night I did a pull right here. Oh, D. In the rain, son, I did a pull with the traction control off. Bro, first and second it was spinning. And I would have spun third too, crazy. But like, I just shifted early as fuck. So once it grabbed third, it stopped slipping.
In the rain.
I got it on video too, and that shit was OD. Like I literally hit first gear, like and it started going sideways a little bit, and then I threw it into second, and it kept on spinning like bah, 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 bah. And then I was like, it had to be at like 3,500 RPMs, like actually speed, but it will be going to red line because it's slipping type shit.
Gotcha.
So when I shifted to third, it wasn't on like high power band to keep spinning. Like if I really wanted to, that shit probably would have spun all the way to fourth. The way it was raining last night.
Hell yeah. It was pouring all day.
Like I was really bugging last night. I went in that lot, I started acting up.
So it's better to have an LSD than a diff. I mean, than a welded diff.
It depends. LSD is definitely way better all around, but LSD is pretty dope.
If you was to try some shit that you just did with a welded diff, you would have been sideways already. Or no?
Well, it depends how you drive, bro. The shit I was doing last night, fucking, like, doing that shit through all those gears, the car could have went sideways if I didn't know what I was doing. You feel me? Because I'm literally fighting the car as I'm going forward.
I know what you mean.
Because the back wants to come to the front. So I'm literally driving like this, and the car's like still going straight, but I'm going like this. If that makes sense.
I know what you mean.
Yeah, man. One last little pull before I hit the curb. Let's go. I'm gonna do a little donut on this shit. Okay. Crazy when it's like that though. When I really gotta hit them, they don't really be. I don't know. I don't know if I got air in my system or what the fuck. But when I hit them hard, let's say like when I'm drifting and I'm doing a whole lot of shit, and I try to lock up the brakes, they don't really be locking. Like I be feeling like I'm stepping on it and the car's not really braking. That should be getting me tight. Hey yo, Linsky, you ain't leave nothing on the arm? I ain't even give my boy Lean a fucking intro. But he was in the V. Y'all know the vibes. We went and delivered the FCP fucking oil. Shit's going back on the gang. They taxed me like $18 to ship, but it was cool. It's cool.
The new project. The new
I'm gonna give y'all a little view of the new build. Oh, that's it. we taking a break for a little ad. If y'all want one of these, hit my line. And if y'all don't want one, hit my line anyways, cause yeah, you know I'm entertaining y'all. Y'all need a support. I don't work. Y'all think I put this together, man? Go buy you some of that.